Hi, my name is Ed Moak. I'm Vice President of Product Operations at Index Engines. The Chalk Talk today is all about leveraging your backups for value-based archiving. We talk to many customers throughout the industry, and they often come to us with problems associated with their current archiving solutions. The current archiving solutions and the three main issues that they talk to us about. The first being scaling issues. All their archives are very much overpopulated. Their policies are really capture everything, put it in the archive, and then try to access that archive once they have a need to. The problem with that is, once those archives become overpopulated, you start to run into performance issues. The speed at which you can retrieve data and search and retrieve data become very, very slow and lead to very difficult to manage and almost impossible to use their archives. So as Index Engines, what we talk to them about is value-based archiving. The ability to utilize the current IT processes and assets within the IT organization, not reinvent the wheel, not implement new processes, but use their current processes, and the ability to, with the Index Engine solution, be able to customize and automate the archiving and retention policies so that you archive only what you need to archive, and the ability to manage that archive on a long-term basis. And to be able to leverage that archive once it is built for e-discovery work, events, and for proactive legal assessment. The Index Engine solution, our Catalyst engine, again, is meant to leverage the standard backups that are taken on a day-to-day basis within the IT organization. The ability to customize both the archiving and retention policies so that you only archive what you want and you only keep what you want on a long-term basis. The ability to take that archiving and retention workflow and automate that workflow and the reporting of that workflow, producing a scalable, high-speed, and efficient use of all the IT resources. Let me take you through a quick example of what this solution would look like in your IT environment and the workflow associated with that. It all starts out with the core, the Catalyst, Index Engine's Catalyst engine, and of course, data storage for your archive. What you want to do is utilize the current backup infrastructure, whether you're backing up to disk on your servers or backing up to tape, whether this could be legacy backups that they've been keeping for long-term retention, or your current backups on a day-to-day basis. Being able to, within the Index Engine's Catalyst engine, be able to create the archiving policies, identify exactly only what you want to archive, whether it be by owner, whether it be by date, time, type of data, and be able to schedule and monitor the indexing jobs and the automatic collection. Once the policies are set in place, once you index the data, the backup data, we automatically apply those policies, adding data to the archive in an automated workflow. Once the archive is populated, you now have the ability to search that archive and produce responsive data. For long-term management of the archive, being able to then create those retention policies and set those retention policies up on a schedule to manage that archive long-term. Thank you.